Welcome back to another productive college day in my life. I had a really busy Monday. I love busy Mondays because I just get lots done. So you're gonna watch me go to class, get some work done, do some cleaning. I also shared my slick bun hair tutorial, did a little get ready with me, and just lots of good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy. Good morning, welcome back to another vlog. Today's Monday. My mom is currently making me breakfast, so I'm gonna get dressed for school and we're gonna start the vlog. It's my last week of classes this week, and then I kind of like skip a week and then I still go in Monday the 16th, but next week I still have like an online final, so we're gonna be vlogging a lot and I'm excited. But also it kind of hasn't hit me yet that I'm like finishing school, but I'm leaving my hair natural today and tomorrow. I'm trying to leave it natural as many days as I can before I need to do it. So let's get up, and it's raining with me outside, so we need to pick out a bummy outfit like usual. Okay, I actually just finished editing the video that I needed to get done, which I'm really happy about because I have another video that's due for a brand this week, and it gets tricky because that video is not even going to go up yet, so then it delays me from editing other videos, so it's just a whole thing. So it's a lot more work than people think. Anyways, I thought I would show you guys some new products that I got. I'm gonna be getting ready for school now, but I wanted to show you 2 new things that I got. If you are an influencer or want to sign up for platforms and you're like starting out or whatever, I highly recommend Octoly because that's where I get a lot of products gifted to me, and in exchange I do like reviews and stuff. So it's a great way to try out products, and also it's a great way in turn to, like, when you're creating content, to be tagging brands and see, you know, how you like it, review their products, and which can lead to other things. So a little haul for you guys, which also I ordered Nespresso pods and they shipped, which I'm happy about because those will be coming tomorrow. I need my pods for like when I do lattes because I've been having coffee pods recently, which is good, but I also love my lattes. So first I got a new eyelash curler. I've been needing one. These are like some of those things where it's like you put off buying it for literally no reason at all, and I needed a new one because mine was broken, so I got a new one. This is by Sephora collection. It's just regular eyelash curler. So like mine didn't do this. I had to like literally grab my hand and just it was so weird. So I got a new eyelash curler, thank goodness. And then I got a new mascara. You guys know my obsession with mascaras. I like, one product that I feel like I couldn't live without is mascara. Comment down below what your one product is that you cannot live without, but I am a mascara fiend. I love trying out different mascaras. So this is from Freck Beauty. This is their Lash Rocket mascara, and it has lash enhancing peptides. So I'm actually really excited to try this out. I also think the packaging is really cute actually. So 10 out of 10 for the packaging. And this is what the applicator looks like. I'm still gonna first do my eyebrows just to be put together, and I think I'm gonna put my hair in a bun today. So we'll do a slick back bun. I'll show you guys, I guess, how I do my slick back buns because I feel like I've been getting questions about that. I haven't done it in a while, but I was getting questions about that. So I think we'll do like a little get ready with me today. So I've mentioned this many times before. Everything will be linked, but this is the Winky Lux Unibrow. I love it. It's so easy to use. Next up, to set them into place, my Merit Beauty, which I'm almost out of this. Comment down below any like brow products that you guys like similar to this, like I guess to set them into place, but also has a little color to it, because I don't really want those like gel ones to, like, you know, I don't want those. Okay, quick review. I think it's a great everyday type of mascara. I like that it has the peptides in it. It just lengthens and really separates each lash, which I like. And now I'm gonna go do my hair. Clean up really quick. Okay, so this is gonna be my first time doing it since I have cut my hair and dyed it again. So you're gonna want 2 hair ties. You're gonna want a brush that's like this. It's pretty, has hair in it, so a bristled brush like this, and obviously you're gonna need water. If you have a spray bottle, even better. I don't have one, but I just kind of like wet my hands a little bit and get a little water on the top of my head. You don't need to go crazy, like I don't want it to be drenched, And this is a better look when your hair is dirty, more dirty, but I washed my hair yesterday, but it's fine. It'll still work. So we're gonna wet our hair. And then what I do next is I take hairspray. This is not a good hairspray, so whatever hairspray you have works. I need a good hairspray when this one is done, but it seems like it's never finishing. Then you're going to start brushing the hair, and it depends which way you want it. So the one I'm going to do is the higher one, and where you just have a little bit of the part showing. I guess it's like the Hailey Bieber inspired one. So I start like right here, and then I brush backwards. So get rid of the part back here, and then what you're going to want to do is I'm going to spray a little more, and then I'm going to wet my brush a little bit. And I'm going to start combing at a diagonal. So I'm going to grab the piece here and swoop it back like this. And I'm going to grab this side. Even though I haven't started this side, it just makes it easier. I'm just going to use my hands to like form it. And then the same thing on this side. And brush it and go up on a diagonal. Go up. Go up. And you want to make sure you're also getting the back here. So I'm gonna now take it and go up here a little bit. And this is pretty much the height that I want it. And I'm gonna tie with one hair tie. I'm just gonna go around like a regular ponytail. And then I'm gonna spray more hairspray. Get my hands a little wet. Go over it like this. And then I use this. I really, really recommend this. It's the Curlsmith Hold Me Softly Style Balm. Take that. I'm going to rub it together and then go over it. I swear, smooths the hair so nicely. And it doesn't leave your hair feeling like the way that gel does, like super hard and crunchy. It really does what it says, holds it softly. And look at that. Look at the difference. This is really the best product for this. And I always make sure to get my baby hairs up here, like especially right by the part. And then now we're going to twirl the hair. So I start to wrap like this, and then I kind of get like sloppy with it towards the end. Take the other hair tie, and I only wrap it around like twice. And so there it is. I'm going to do a little more hairspray. Also, I get the back. You gotta make sure you get the back. Sometimes I'll bobby pin it, but I don't think I need to do that right now. And I don't care if like pieces are hanging out of my bun, like it's fine. And then to just really hold it all together, I use the Dry Bar Gin Twist Edge Control. So I take a little bit. It's also really soft to take a little bit on my fingertips and kind of again go over like these parts of my hair. Just smooth it down. I don't do anything crazy like little swooshes. I just kind of like go along with the way my hair is already shaping, and then we're really good to go. It's my slick bun. I look like a bean now, but I'm headed to class. It's starting to rain again, unfortunately, and I'm not running late. I'll probably get there like right on time. We're probably doing more of the review. So last Thursday, we started our review session for our final exam, which is May 16th, which is a Monday. So we're probably gonna do the rest of it. I think he didn't finish, so I'll be typing pretty much the whole class. And if we're not doing that today, then I'm gonna try and see if I can work on my nutrition and wellness final paper, start finishing it up. I need to type like I think a couple paragraphs, but that is due at the end of this week, so we'll see. If not, I'm gonna work on that when I get home. But yeah, last week of classes, and so after this I'm actually not going to be going to my psych class today because I work today and I have a busy day, and so the only time I'm able to pick up my cap and gown is going to be after this class, like based off of the window that they have. So I'm gonna go with Amy, pick up the cap and gown. I might also look in like the bookstore and try to see if I can like buy my mom, my dad like a hoodie or something since I'm graduating, and maybe get myself something as well. We'll see, but that's the plan. So I will catch up with you guys in class. As soon as I pulled up with 5 minutes to spare, somebody was pulling out in the front. You know we love the front row parking. myself a Yeti for my school thing. And then I got my dad and my mom a shirt. Alright guys, I got the goods. It's starting to rain again. I have to pee so bad. This looks yummy.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah.
I just responded to my last discussion. I'm done with discussion boards. I also just saved, and kind of like on Chegg, you have to click when you're returning your books and they will send you the label. Oh my gosh, do I have a cut here? Label, because I have to return my book that I rented for my hate crimes class. So I have like a little checklist here. I need to return that book tomorrow, so I also need a box to put it in. So I'm gonna do this tomorrow, but I'm just gonna keep it here so I don't forget, because I have class tomorrow, so I'm gonna take it with me. Okay, so we got that going on. I need to print it out. I have it on my phone so I can just connect and print. And then I need to do some like exit interview thing for my school site that they sent me, so I'm gonna get that done. But we're doing good. Also, I have the clothes still on my bed, so we're gonna do some cleaning of my closet and reorganizing some stuff so I can make everything fit neat, you know, the whole thing. And I want to film some TikToks today. I posted a picture on Instagram while I ate my lunch. I had leftover hibachi for dinner. My mom kills it, like hibachi, who really, truly, I don't know, so good. So let me do this. Shouldn't take me that long. Okay, so what I'm going to currently do is clean these two bottom sections, like my catch-all sections of my closet. It's not a vibe. Everything else is pretty organized, and I need to fit my new Windsor stuff, so I need to actually sit here and organize this. So that's what I'm going to be doing, because every time I look at this I want to cry, because it just makes me feel so unorganized. Okay, closet closes completely. Nothing is sticking out. Thank goodness. Hi guys, I just got home from work and it actually went pretty fast. I'm just taking my AirPods and stuff out of my bag. I'm going to hop in the shower, and then we're gonna upload my video to YouTube so that tomorrow I can just make it go live. Like, I'm gonna post the unlisted portion of it, like the unlisted link pretty much, so that it just makes my life easier. It's ready to go tomorrow and all that. Guys, I am honestly so tired, and I'm so happy that the video is saving. I just sent everything over to my phone so I could do the thumbnail tomorrow, and I already just did the description, linked all the products. So if you're not checking my description, be sure to check my description box, because I take time to link things that I'm wearing or talking about that I genuinely love, like products that I use on a day-to-day in my vlogs, obviously. So always check the links, and if you ever need a link to something and I like missed it, definitely let me know in the comments. Also, I love chatting with you guys in the comments, so let me know how your day went today. Let me know what your plans are for the week ahead, the weekend, whenever you're watching this. I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm gonna end off the vlog right now because I'm tired. I'm gonna save the video. Well, it's already saving, so once it's saved, instead of importing it into YouTube, I'm just gonna wake up early tomorrow, and get that done before I would normally even wake up, because I'm going to wake up earlier tomorrow. So I'm also vlogging, so I want to make sure I'm getting rest so I'm not burning myself out, which is a big tip for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you like, make sure you of course subscribe if you're new here, leave me a comment like I just said, and I will see you guys all in my next vlog.